Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. If you're new here, I'm Sam and welcome. So glad to have you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for gingerbread muffins. They are absolutely delicious. You're going to love them. I love making these around the holiday season, especially during October and November. I love making these for Thanksgiving as well, just to set out on the table for dessert. Everybody loves them. So let's go over the ingredients. Okay guys, first things first, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to need 1 stick of butter that's been melted and cooled, 2 eggs, buttermilk, molasses, flour, and in here I've got baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, salt, and ginger. That is basically all you're going to need, and they are absolutely delicious. So let's get this going. Okay guys, for my dry ingredients, I'm just going to add all of my spices and my baking powder and baking soda in here. Then we're just going to give this a mix just to incorporate all of those spices with that flour. Set that aside. Okay, in another bowl, you're going to add your eggs. Just give those a little mix around in the bowl, just to break them up a little bit. Then you're going to add in your buttermilk. Your butter. And your molasses. Okay, now that you've got everything in there, let's just give this a mix. You want to mix this really well because that molasses is very thick and you just want to incorporate it very well. Now if you don't want to use this much molasses, you can certainly cut down to a 1/2 cup of molasses. You still want that molasses flavor, but you can just use 1/2 cup plus 1/4 cup of sugar. Now it's going to look curdled because that butter is going to solidify. Now we're just going to add this to our dry ingredients. Now we're just going to give this a mix. You don't want to over mix it because it will make it tough. Just mix it until everything just comes together. Then just switch to a spatula, like a little rubber spatula, just to get all of it off of the bottom. Now if you have little spots of flour where it's not quite mixed through, that is fine. It will come together when it bakes. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put your batter into your little muffin molds. These are just little silicone muffin molds. I've got a 3 tablespoon measure here. I'm just going to do that real quick and I will meet you right back here. Okay you guys, so I've got all of the batter into the cupcake liners and they are ready to go into the oven. I'm just going to bake these at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, just until they are completely cooked through. You can test that by sticking a toothpick into the center of a muffin or cupcake and it should come out clean. So I'm going to do that, and then I will meet you right back here when they're done. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes and I just pulled these out of the oven. They are cooling over here on some wire racks. I just popped them out of these silicone molds and put them on a wire rack to cool completely. I would check these at 25 minutes just to make sure they're done, because you don't want to overcook them. But I am so ready to taste these. I have been waiting on these for about an hour now, so let's give these a try. They're so nice and soft, like a spongy type texture. So soft. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're gonna taste this. These are so delicious. They're not overly sweet. They're just sweet enough. And they're so delicious. So good. These make for a perfect gift if you want to package these up and give them away as gifts. They work out very well. I love making these around the holidays, and I love giving these as gifts. Just package them up and give them away as gifts. You can freeze these as well. They freeze really, really well. They also are very travel friendly, so that is so good, and they are absolutely delicious, and your house is going to smell amazing when you bake these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below and be a part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. I would be so glad to have you. It's completely free to subscribe. And if you try these, let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.